302 Fine Jewelry encompasses all of the top aesthetics and best price points that consumers are looking for right now. We know it's going to catch your customers' attention, and we know it's going to sell.
302 is more than just jewelry. It's an all-in-one program for any growing jewelry business.
The versatility of the styles and the collections make it really easy for the wearer to tell their story through jewelry with confidence and style.
I think 302 Fine Jewelry is made up of such wonderfully Instagrammable pieces because they're things that people want to wear every day, and they're so beautiful that they'll always want to show them off.
Our collections feature everything from everyday styles like studs and hoops to personalized pieces like zodiacs and charms to bold, colorful statement pieces.
So I've been wearing 302 jewelry for a couple years now, and I absolutely love it. I feel like there's so much variety in the styles, and there's always something to fit my personality.
What I love most about the brand is that it's always on trend, but has this very classic appeal that means I can wear it day after day and always feel in style.
All styles within 302 are specially designed to be layered and stacked, and we recognize that this trend is not going away, and 302 really celebrates that.
As we're designing our new collections, we're always looking to have those designs play well with our previous collections, hit a perfect price point, and have the durability to last.
It's the jewelry quality you already know and love, with rapid delivery, marketing resources, and a dedicated support team.
302 is also gaining national attention, which is so exciting to see. Features in Harper's Bazaar, Marie Claire, and Elle are helping more and more customers connect to these styles.
We're so confident that you're going to be successful with 302 Fine Jewelry because these are the pieces that we love to wear. And we know that your customers are going to love them too.